Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen masala at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of instant ramen, your preferred masala powder, and any fresh vegetables you enjoy. You'll also need about 1.5 cups of water. This easy method transforms basic ramen into a flavorful meal with just a few extra steps, perfect for a quick and satisfying dish. Now let's get cooking. Bring your 1.5 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. Add your instant ramen noodles and cook them for about 2 minutes, just until they start to separate. Next, drain most of the water, leaving approximately 1/4 cup in the pot. Stir in the ramen seasoning packet and 1 full teaspoon of your chosen masala powder. With your noodles and masala base ready, it's time to add some freshness. Stir in your favorite vegetables, like a handful of frozen peas, corn, or finely chopped carrots. Continue to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the vegetables to become tender crisp. Finally, for an extra burst of flavor, garnish your ramen with fresh cilantro or a small squeeze of lime juice before serving. This easy ramen masala recipe is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with various masala blends to find your favorite, or add a fried egg for extra protein and richness. You can also adjust the spice level by adding a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of your preferred hot sauce. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, customized ramen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.